Hello guys, Yulianna is here. By the end of this video, you will learn the best and most promising manufacturing business ideas that you can start from home. Let's start! I love searching for different business ideas and share most interesting with you. I am more on the online style of business, however, many people like to run their business offline. They like to see the product they sell, to feel it, to touch it. So this video is for you. Last couple of years, dropshipping has become a very popular type of business. But let's realize it, it's a buy and sell type of business. You are not creating any products here. All your creativity should go only in finding new ways to resell some products. Mostly, those products come from China. If you would like to have some business using your skills, knowledge and fulfill your creative personality in the same time, I found those type of businesses you can do from home and sell it online or offline. It is up to you, but the best if you combine it and sell it online and offline. Some of those business ideas will require low prior investment, but some of them are a bit bigger. Again, it depends on your budget and your interest in that idea, so choose the most suitable for you. Let's start. First business idea: customized and environment-friendly bags and totes for women. Fashion is that type of business which will live and grow with time. All of us want to show our unique personalities, especially women. They do it through clothes usually. If you know how to sew, or you can hire someone to do it for you, you will create different designs and different styles. You can make customizable bags and other accessories from fabric, jeans, or even from leather, especially popular to make cute totes. You can add some unique elements such as ethnic embroidery or your clients' names, for example. Finally, in many countries, plastic bags are not as popular as before because of their influence on our ecology. Of course, one plastic bag takes around 1000 years to decompose in a landfill. Beautiful and unique stylish tote can be a good replacement. Next one: masks, sanitizers and health equipment. Unfortunately, COVID is still here and we need to wear masks in buildings and use sanitizers on a daily basis. At least this is how our lives in Canada looks today. Currently, you can find so many different masks on the market, but there is still a huge demand as reusable masks need to be changed too. So you need to buy new masks time per time. It would be great to have a kind of set, including a mask, hand sanitizer, hand moisturizer, all in some cute necessaire or bag. Wear all of those items in the same style. For example, a small bag and mask can be made from the same fabric. Hand sanitizer and hand moisturizer have the same scent. Usually hand sanitizers don't smell so nice. So far I found only one brand which I use almost daily because they smell really good, but their ingredients are not as organic as I wish they would be. It would be great if you could manufacture some hand sanitizers and hand creams from organic ingredients with a nice, gentle aroma. Next one: handmade chocolates and cookies without sugar. I love chocolates, but I would like to have less sugar in my life in the same time. I even used to make my own chocolate. It is a very nice process, but it is a very time-consuming if you don't have professional tools. For example, I used to temper my chocolate manually, and it takes a lot of time and error because if the temperature is not as it should be, your chocolate will not be hard in a room temperature. I don't want to go in all details, but if you buy a special chocolate tempering machine, this process is much faster and you can create any chocolate you want and add there anything you like, your favorite spices, nuts, fruits and anything you wish to add. You can create different tastes of homemade crafted chocolate and cookies in a healthier way as you would buy in some shop. For example, you can use agave syrup or honey instead of sugar. Next one: homemade healthy candies. It's very similar to homemade chocolate and cookies. You can create healthy homemade candies. You can Google different recipes and make them, for example, from fruit juice or from dry fruits, or create an interesting mix of fruits, nuts and handmade chocolate without sugar. You got an idea, now you can use your own creativity. Next one: healthy snacks. Everyone eats snacks, but it would be great to eat not only delicious, but healthy snacks in the same time. You can manufacture healthy snacks which can be good for diabetes people too. You can manufacture some granola bars where you use different organic sweeteners instead of sugar. You can agree with some local daycares that you can provide those snacks for kids or just offer them in some local parents' Facebook group. I'm sure many parents would love to buy healthier snacks for their kids than it is available on the market now. Next one, natural beauty care products. It is a great business. Couple of years ago, nobody heard about Korean masks and creams. Nowadays, it's hard to find some girl who didn't hear or didn't try Korean cosmetics. Why were they suddenly so popular? Because it's a well-known fact that they are made from good, healthy ingredients than general on the market right now for the same price. I'm sure in your culture or even maybe in your family might be so many nice beauty secrets which go from generation to generation. You can Google some more recipes and create your own organic natural beauty products. Or you can make some custom creams or masks for face or for hair. For example, I want to apply some green, let's say clean, like with good ingredients, masks to improve my skin. There are so many nice recipes there, but I don't have all ingredients available at home for that mask or for that cream. So I prefer to buy it from someone local who follows all proportions, and I know that that mask or that cream is made from natural and only good ingredients. Next one, handmade, organic and exotic soaps manufacturing business. I'm so much about buying natural things as much as possible and trying to save our planet and improve ecology. I strongly believe that if every one of us will do even small things, we can achieve great results and help our planet. One plastic bottle needs around 450 years to decompose. You can create healthy green soap in bars, which will help our ecology in the same time. You can start a business in making healthy, exotic exfoliating soaps and scrubs for hands. It can be in different shapes, in nice packaging. It can be a great present for friends or even for yourself. One bar of soap is good for a long time. Couple of months ago, I decided to read all ingredients in the organic department, and those clean soaps weren't as clean as they claimed. If you like this idea of manufacturing organic soaps, add some aroma oils and you can create really great business. Or you can teach people how to create those soaps to make kind of master classes for everyone, so you can share your knowledge with others, so people can do those soaps for themselves and for their families. Actually, yesterday I bought soap making kit, so I hope I will share with you my results in some of my future videos. Next one, natural air freshener productions. You can start manufacturing natural air fresheners using some aroma oils. It is safe to use in a daily life. It is a nice replacement of existing air fresheners which have so many harmful ingredients. You can sell it online or offline. Next one, healthy juice business. We can't live without food, therefore the food business will be growing and you only need to find your niche. Making fresh juices is a great type of business. If you combine it with your knowledge, you can help people to improve their health and make nice money on it in the same time. I am not talking about a regular centrifugal juicer, but about slow press masticating juicer, which helps preserve all vitamins in veggies and fruits up to 3 days in basic machines and up to 1 week in more expensive brands using infrared technologies. You can create different recipes which will help boost immunity or clean your body from toxins, or just add some vitamins into your daily diet. You can mix different fruits, veggies and leaves such as spinach, dill, kale and so on. One of my friends recommended that I learn more about the juice diet. She's very professional in it. She regularly does juice cleanses for up to 2 weeks. This is the time when she doesn't eat any hard food. All nutrition she receives only from juices. I am not as professional as she is in that case, but I started making 1 juice per day for my family, mostly because of my son, so just to have extra vitamins in his diet. He is not a big fan of vegetables like many toddlers in his age, I believe, so juicing vegetables and leaves is the only way he gets healthy vitamins from veggies. I'm sure many moms like me experience the same thing with their kids, so you can help them with your business. If there would be an opportunity to buy ready juice delivered to my house or pick up it from some of my neighbors, it would be fantastic. You can deliver it yourself to your customers or they can pick it up from you. Create some website or some page, add there some information about juices you make, location where they can be picked up or where you sell it, and just share it on your neighborhood and in your local Facebook groups. Next one. Food color manufacturing. You can manufacture organic food colors, for example, from dry veggies and fruits, red color from beets, yellow from turmeric, green from spinach, and so on. It is amazing, very colorful and safe. Many parents would buy it to make kids' meals more funny and colorful. It is so funny to have a red rice for lunch. Next one, fresh pasta and noodles manufacturing. It is so great to eat fresh pasta. It is a great business idea to manufacture fresh pasta and noodles. You can add different organic colorants such as beets, turmeric and spinach to have it in different colors. If you want to make it even more creative, you can create different shapes and mix different colors. Next one, manufacture aroma candles. Especially now when it is winter outside, it is a very trendy product which brings more light and coziness to our houses. You can use natural aroma oils or mix some of them to create your own special aroma. You can do regular candles, or if you want, you can be more creative and do it in different shapes and colors. Next one, decorate chocolates. I saw this business idea in Lebanon for the first time. I found it so creative and so interesting. The idea is that you beautifully decorate some chocolates and other sweets, but mostly chocolates. Then you create a beautiful arrangement and offer it to guests. Decorated chocolates are great additions to weddings, baptisms, birthday parties and other celebrations. It is a great business idea. I know one couple in Montreal who makes over $100,000 each year from this business. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please share with us in the comments your favorite home-based business ideas. If you found value in this video, please press the like button. It will help me tremendously. And subscribe if you haven't done it yet. See you in my next video.